Hello friends, welcome to your 30-minute full body strength HIIT cardio workout. My name is Lene and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 9 of my double down challenge, a 2-week challenge combining the two modalities of strength and HIIT together and requiring nothing except 2 dumbbells. On that note, all you need today is a flat surface to work on, a clear view of your screen, and your set of dumbbells. For this entire challenge, I'm using 2 5kgs or 2 11-pound dumbbells, but as per usual, feel free to go heavier than me or lighter than me, depending on what you have available to you or based on how strong you're feeling. If you have multiple sets of dumbbells, you can also switch out your weights if you have that option, but it's not necessary. The dog is not required, but if you have one around, then we are in the same boat. He's gonna be joining me today. I'm pet sitting for a friend. Other than that, we have a warm-up and a cool down included, so today is your one-stop shop. The main workout, we have 3 giant sets consisting of 4 exercises each. We'll be working 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off twice through each giant set before taking a 30-second rest and moving on to the next. So we're gonna work our muscles and get our heart rates pumping. Jackson has already beat us to the warm-up, so on that note, let's get moving. All right, we're just gonna start nice and light on our feet, jogging in place, shifting our weight from one foot to the other, just getting the blood flowing, starting to increase the heart rate slowly. Feel free to shake out those arms, get that energy flowing through the body. Next up, jumping jack, lateral lunge. Jumping jack, lateral lunge, great. Starting to warm up into the glutes and the hips here, as well as mobilizing the shoulders. All right, squat it down and twist it out. I'm so sorry, I'm laughing because he's so stinking cute and he's just like existing, you know? Not a thought behind those eyes. Oh, buddy. This is gonna be a fun workout. Get that knee nice and high. All right, to the side of your mat, sink it low. Let's just crab walk it out here. Warming up those side glutes. All right, into a plank position here. On your knees or your toes, push up and sit back. Just warming up so we don't have to go too fast or expect too much from ourselves here. Simply just mobilizing the body. From here, lift up into plank, 1 foot steps forward, elbow down, twist open the chest, back through plank, and switch. Elbow down, twist, step back, switch. Final little warm-up movement here. We are almost to the main workout. So get ready. All right, warm up complete. Back on your feet. Let's get started. Giant set number 1, we're starting with double dumbbell thrusters plus a double dumbbell swing. So grab both your weights, feet just wider than shoulder width apart. We're gonna squat down, press the weights overhead, then glue the weights together and do a dumbbell swing. Let's go. Squat, press, swing it down and up. Squat, press, down and up. Now remember, we're squatting and then we're doing a hip hinge. So the most important thing is that the hips are driving back and forward. Fantastic work. All right, pick a side. We're gonna do iso, hold, curl and press. So we're going to bring one knee up. The same side bicep comes and holds at 90 degrees. From here, the other arm is gonna curl and press, and then reverse. So we're challenging our stability. We're working one side dynamically while holding the other side isometrically. Strong wrists, especially on the side that is holding in 90 degrees. We're trying not to relax or crane that wrist up. Keep it nice and strong. Great job. Okay, drop one dumbbell away. We're going to bring the dumbbell up, slam it down, step up, slam. So stepping side to side, coming down into a deep squat, and really slam that weight down, almost as if it's a medicine ball, and you're going, wow, and you're slamming it. Let's go. On that slam, really sink all your weight into your heels. Sink those hips low, chest stays up. Fantastic. All right. Final movement for the giant set. We're gonna work some abs, a little bit of shoulders here. Step back throws. So take these slow and make sure as we step back and bring the weight across, it's explosive. Then as you come back to center, it's controlled. Step back, exhale, inhale, control it down. Don't rush. Balancing explosivity. Explosivity, that's a word, I believe. We're balancing explosive movements with more strength and control. Fantastic, friends. All right, we have finished the first round. We're gonna repeat those 4 exercises from the top and then move right along. So get ready, double dumbbell thrusters plus the dumbbell swing. Let's do it. Squat, thrust, swing. Good. Fantastic. Okay, quick breather. We're gonna do the iso hold plus the curl and press. Make sure we're switching sides here. Relax the shoulders down and away. Initiate the hold. Let's curl and press. Fully extending that arm at the bottom of that range of motion, working the bicep in its full range. Ooh, also feel a good burn in the glute that supports us on that one. Okie dokes, side to side, slam squats. Ready? Bring it up, slam it down. Whew. Fantastic work. Okay, final movement here. We're doing the step back throws. Focusing on core, you are gonna feel your shoulders too. Oh buddy, don't knock over my lights. Okay, sorry. He has rejoined the party and he's brought a friend. And he sploots. Fantastic, okay. Longer break here. Grab some water, pat your brow. Keep active, try not to sit down. I'm gonna keep the blood flowing. We're moving on to giant set number 2. Starting with landmine push presses. You just have to take up like half the mat, don't you? So you're gonna need 1 dumbbell for this. We're gonna hold it like so. Starting standing, on a big explosion, we're gonna press up, land in a split lunge, step it back, then switch sides. So, feels so weird being so far over to the side, but I really want you to press that dumbbell with some force overhead. Good, land nice and solid. Great work. Okay, on the floor, I guess I'm gonna be working on my knees or in a really wide position here. We are doing commando taps, commando shoulder taps. So down, down, up, up, tap, tap. Option on your knees, down, down, up, up, tap, tap. Whichever version you do, be cognizant that our hips aren't rocking side to side as we tap or as we commando. Don't hold your breath, come on. Exhale as you push that ground away. and take a breather. All right, one dumbbell back up on your feet. We're gonna do alternating reverse lunge with a straight arm twist. Buddy, you make this very hard on me. Okay, reverse lunge, twist out, bring it up. If you wanna lower here, you can. Otherwise, challenge it. Ooh. Buddy, I'm so sorry. Are you good? Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. Reverse lunge and twist. Twisting towards the bent leg. Cutie. All right, fantastic. Final movement here before we go back to the top. We're gonna do power push dead bugs. Okay, dumbbells up overhead. Legs are going to be switching like bicycles. And we're gonna drop and press, drop and press. Now, if you wanted to bring your weights together for a nice close chest press, feel free. So that's gluing them together like so. But really make sure legs are beautiful and elegant. Back pressed on the mat, sinking the press with those legs. And catch your breath. Okay, my goodness. Arms are on fire, core is on fire, everything is on fire. Are you ready to go from the top? We're starting with the landmine pushes. Final time for each of these movements, so really give me your best. We're gonna go this way. It's hot in this room right now. I'm pushing through though. Sweat towel is about to enter the chat. Whew. Those burn the chest out too. Okay, you know what's next. Commando shoulder taps on your knees or your toes. Try a couple on your toes if you want to challenge yourself, and then if you fatigue, then drop to your knees. Just don't sell yourself short. Sometimes we are stronger than we think. All right, down, down, up, up. Tight core, tap, tap. Take a chill. Okie dokes. Back up onto our feet. Yes, I'm sorry. Am I encroaching on your space? My bad. Okay, reverse lunge with the straight arm twist. Definitely working into the shoulders at the moment. Can feel them burning. Great, keep the sides of your neck nice and elongated. Lifting that weight only to shoulder height. So we're not lifting up here. All right, keep it here. Then twist. Make this harder for yourself by not relaxing the back leg down. Keep it slightly hovered. and take a break. All right, final movement here. We're gonna be on our backs for those dead bug push presses, burning out the chest. Remember, option to glue the weights together to do more of a close chest press. We're going to bicycle the legs, down and up, down and up. The lower you drop the extended leg, the harder this will be. So if you want to keep it less intense, bring your legs up a little bit. If you want to challenge yourself, drop those legs lower. Just make sure the back is not making a house for a mouse. Keep it tucked flat onto the mat. Wow. Guys, the rhymes are just next level right now. And all done. Tricep, we're not doing triceps. Giant set, number 2, complete. We're moving right along. We have one more giant set to work through. 15 more seconds. Reverse lunge power switches. You can use 1 or 2 weights for this. I'm gonna use 1. We're gonna do a reverse lunge. Drive that knee up. Here, you're gonna switch it out. Catch yourself, then switch. Good. Drive, switch. Option to take out the hop and simply just do a march exchange if you don't wanna jump. But if you want to bring more power to it, get that heart rate up, build some agility, kick switch. Oh my goodness, let's get the heart rate up. Okay, working some upper body. Crossover row with a fly. So feet shoulder width apart. Trace the dumbbells down. You're gonna cross it over, row. No, oh, whoa. You're not gonna be doing that on camera. No, no. Off you go. We're also gonna add a fly in there. Sorry. Crossover, row, down, and fly. Crossover, row, down, and fly. So as you come out of that fly, you go straight into the crossover. Fantastic. Okay, up, down, present passes. You can do this without the weight. So we're gonna squat here, shuffle, shuffle, twist, pass the weight up, shuffle, shuffle, squat back down. Option without the weight will stay exactly the same. Squat, shuffle, shuffle, twist, shuffle, shuffle, squat. Up to you. I know by now, shoulders are probably on fire. So just try your best. And as you come into that high twist, pop up onto your toes, lengthen through the side of the body. Fantastic. Final movement here before we go from the top one last time. Sir, can I put you right there? We're doing roll up wood choppers. So feet slightly, feet on the mat, legs slightly bent. Dumbbell up overhead, big exhale, roll it up. No, no, leaning back slightly. Drop, up, drop, up, reverse. Exhale. Lean back slightly, chest proud. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. and take a rest. Friends, Jackson, you just pulled my light out. I'm so sorry. It's like having a child. This has never happened to me before in a class. Come on. There we go. Okay, from the top. This is how you know I do these in one take. If you work out with a dog or an animal, or you have one, let me know how much they get in the way of your workouts, because this is somehow the cutest and the most frustrating experience. Come on, power. Keep those knees high. Whew. My goodness. Excited for these. They're gonna help the heart rate come down a little bit. The crossover row plus the fly. When we come into the fly, make sure palms face down, slide, bend in those elbows and not lifting higher than shoulder height. Ready, send the hips back, gaze neutral, cross it over. Pull it into the back pockets. Let it down, fly, right into the crossover. Pull, down, fly. Ooh, amazing. Up, down, present passers, with or without your weight. Just make sure we're doing the other side now. 2 more intervals, friends. That's all I ask. Cruising right along here. Squat, shuffle, shuffle, twist. Shuffle, shuffle, squat. Come on. You have less than 2 minutes left of work. Then we're gonna cool down. Heart rate has been nice and steady this entire time. Muscles have worked. And we're at the final exercise. Last set, best set, onto your back for the roll-up choppers. If you wanna challenge yourself with this last set, extend your legs out further, maybe even have them all the way straight. Let's go, big exhale, roll yourself on up, keep a slight lean back, chop it up. And roll it down with control. Don't rush the roll down. Fantastic. Give me a smile. And workout complete, friends. Let us cool down. Clear your space. Meet me on your back. Time to bring the heart rate down and stretch out those muscles. Plant your feet on the ground, legs bent, hands by your hips. We're slowly gonna roll up, press through the heels, lift those hips high, 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 high. And we're gonna hold here. Try and see if you can start to overextend by squeezing your shoulder blades together, lifting up really nice and high. Roll it down, one knee in, pulling it nice and tight to your chest. Maybe rock side to side here. Big deep breaths to help the heart rate come down. All right, straighten that leg, grab wherever suits you best, either behind your thigh, knee, calf, or ankle. The higher you go, the more intense the stretch, but don't force yourself into something that hurts. Great job. Let's switch it out. Hugging the other knee in. Rock side to side, however feels good. Beautiful, straighten that leg. Extend the leg, bend, and let's twist over. A little bit of a spinal and an outer glute stretch here to close off. All right, switch it out. Other side, bend, twist it over. Fantastic. Unpretzel yourself. Give yourself a roll on up onto your feet, because you have earned a big round of applause and a massive pat on the back. Fantastic job today, friends. That was not easy. Got the muscles burning and the heart rate pumping. So if you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Pop a comment down below what movement you found the most challenging, and maybe consider becoming a channel member. You get extra weekly bonus videos as well as bonus videos during challenges. So it's a lot of fun over there, and I'd love to see your face on that side. Other than that, well done for showing off yourself today, because sometimes we know that that is the hardest part, but you did it and you gave your all and you've made me very proud. So I hope you have a lovely day, because you totally do deserve it, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, friends.